Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing live as a slime scammer, and I've done this before, but I wanted to do another one, so let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to the video. So I'm pretty sure I got a DM for my slime shop. I was like, why did I get a DM? And I was like, oh yeah, I have a slime shop. So, what did she want? Okay, so she wanted a lava slime. I don't know if I have one. I might. I think I do. A dark purple confetti slime. I don't know. I don't know if I think I might have one. A fairy slime. A fairy slime, a swamp slime, and bubblegum slime. So let's go. I think I have my bubblegum slime over here. Got it. So I have it, and let's see. Just fell out. Oh, that's dried up part. Okay, let's see. There's hair in it. There's hair in it. It's very rubbery. So it's perfect. And it's okay. It's okay if it's rubbery. Because she wanted bubblegum slime. She never said anything. So this is bubblegum slime. She just said bubblegum slime. She never said she wanted it to be stretchy or anything. That in there. Okay, I need a card to give to her. Okay, so I have a pencil to write with and a paper. You wanted a volcano slime, dark purple confetti slime, fairy slime, swamp slime, and bubblegum slime. So put that in here. By the way, this is the bag I'm using. It has a little sign. So let's fold this up. Give it to her. Okay. So I put the butter slime, bubblegum slime. I have this egg. I think this is where my swamp slime is. If I can open it. It's very little, and she said jiggly swamp monster slime. So it's stuck. Okay, it's very sticky. It's pretty sticky. And it's not that stretchy, but it's jiggly, and she wanted a black one. But oh, it's not even that jiggly anymore. It used to be very jiggly. So it's only a little bit jiggly, but it's good. Cause like, okay, next one, a lava slime. Oh, I think this is a lava slime. It's red. It's red, and it has beads. It has beads in it. Bunch of beads that are very pokey, confetti, and stars. It's very in glitter. It's very pokey and has a lot of decoration in it. But it's red, so lava slime. So good enough. I don't really like that slime anyway, so it's good. The bag is kind of ripping, but it's fine. Next thing she wants a dark purple. I have this dark purple slime. See, it's dark purple. So, it has confetti in it, but it's not that stretchy. Ow. And it's very pokey, as you can see. It has a donut charm in it, but I'm going to keep this because I'm going to use it for my donut. it has a donut trim in it, but I'm keeping it for other slimes. Okay. So the next thing she wanted was fairy slime. I have this purple slime. It's purple and it's glittery, so it's like fairy slime. It's not that stretchy. And she said, wait, this is the good one. It is stretchy. See? This is the good one. I have 2 of these. I'm gonna go find the bad one. Here's the bad one. It's literally the same exact slime. It's just this one it's like literally the same exact slime. Has the same stuff in it, same color. It just, this one's not as stretchy and it's not as good. Okay. So it's good. 1 month later. Hey guys, Winter So today I got my slime package. I ordered it like a month ago and it was supposed to get at same day delivery. It was supposed to be not same day delivery, like a week, and it took a month. So yeah, but let's just put my hand in there, see if I can put the card. I don't see anything. Oh, I don't feel it. Here, found it. Okay, wait. Okay, so my total cost was $100. So yeah. First thing I feel is this egg. Sorry. First thing I feel is this egg. This must be my swamp. It's very little. And it's stretchy and good. Let's see if it's jiggly. It's not even jiggly. And I asked for black. This is green, blue, mucusy color. And I asked for black, and this is black. I mean blue. It looks black on camera, but it's blue. See, whenever you stretch it, you can tell that it's blue. See, it's blue, not black. And it's sticky. See? And it's sticky and very little. And wow, so jiggly. It's not even good. I might be contacting her about that. So, next. It says fairy slime on it. And I asked for like all of them to be stretchy in the beginning. This feels good. Whenever you squeeze it, feels good. Let's see if it's stretchy, because I asked for it to be stretchy. This is not stretchy at all. And it's so pokey. There's so many beads and confetti. This is not fairy slime. It is kind of, not really. Because fairy slime usually just has glitter and purple. This has confetti and a bunch of pokey beads and glitter and a lot of different glitters in stars. Wait, no, those are not stars. Where are they? No. So I might be contacting her about this. Ask her why it's not stretchy and has all the other decorations. This must be my dark purple slime. Ooh, looks like she got this one right. Ooh, it has confetti and beads again. Oh, one fell out. But it's dark purple, glitter, and confetti. So, it's good. Let's see if it's stretchy. Ooh, it's pretty stretchy. So, I'm pretty sure. Whatever. So, this is like the only good one. See, it's dark purple, you can tell. It looks kind of black. Like a little speckle of black. Okay, next, I think the last one I have is the volcano slime. Ooh, this must be my volcano slime. It has a lot of decorations in it. Once again, it has a lot of extra decorations, but it's red. And it looks like, it kind of matches the color of the egg. It's kind of red. It's pretty red. It doesn't look that red on camera, I don't think. It looks more red on camera than it does in real life, though. It's probably because it's close up on you guys. Focus. Focus. There we go. So yeah, it has pink slime in it because it has pink slime in the little container and the little lid. So whatever. I asked for all of these to be small except for the bubblegum. Okay, it looks like there's only one slime, so it doesn't look like she gave me any extras. So it's okay. So here's my bubblegum slime. It looks like this one will actually be good. It feels like a rock. Like, okay, stretch it. This feels like whenever I squish it, there's a like big rock in the middle of it, and it feels like dried up putty. I'm definitely contacting. The only good one here was the dark purple one. Because the volcano slime, it was kind of good, but it wasn't exactly what I ordered. So I'm gonna contact her. Hello. Yes. This I buy from your slime shop, and a lot of the slimes, except for the dark purple slime that I got, was very messed up. Hello? She just hung up on me. Whatever. So I hope you guys like this slime video about me getting the slime package. It wasn't what I wanted, but bye guys. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed Life as a Slime Tamer. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be notified every time I notify. So until next time, bye guys. Oh yeah, and also comment down below what is your favorite slime. I think mine is fluffy, butter, or cloud, but I also like clear slime. So bye guys, see you next time.